Yes.
All right, I got a spin. Big money, $50 bet. Big money, big money, big money, big money. 750. Nice. All right, I'm at Dragon Lake. I'm at the win. That major is maxed out. So let's take a $10 bet. Let's get some more volume, please. There we go. 3 lanterns, 6 orbs. It's a 5-line game, so we gotta hit it straight on. More. There's a win. Woo, $50, thank you. We need a lot more balls than that. More. Woo, $100. Thank you. Wow, suddenly we're up. Come on. It's not really flirting. All right, let's switch our bet to 10 cents. $12.50 bet. We have 25 lines now. All right, let's go to nickels. Take a $6.25 bet. Oh, it doesn't want to give that third lantern. I have this weird superstition about the maxed out majors. Like, oh, more. Those are some nice amounts. Those maxed out ones seem so hard to get. For me, anyway. More. Oh no! Lucky chance spin winner. Let's make it a good one. Oh, it was right there. That's Panda Magic. All right, I'm at Wild Wild Nugget at the Mirage. I have $500 in the game. Come on, nugget me, nugget me, nugget me, nugget me, nugget me. More, more, more. Go! $26.50. Nugget, 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 nugget. More, more, more. Yes, more, 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 more. Woo! That's nice. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Woo! $328. Free games, free games! Yes! Woo! Yeah. All right, we just need the Wild Wilds. Thank you. All right, Wild Wild, let's go. We get that Wild Wilds. Come on, Wild Wild. Look at that $1,000 spot. All right, we'll do a couple more spins. Last spin. We'll stop right there. That's a profit.
That is a profit. Look at that.
That's Wild Wild Nugget. All right, I'm at Ultra Hot Mega Link. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Woo! There he goes. So I have $200 in the game. Let's take a $750 bet. Let's get volume. So of course we need 4 of those fireballs or 3 treasure chests that are in the middle. That's a profit. Nice. One more. One more treasure chest. Yay! With ultra hot. Woo! All right, we're going upstairs. Oh, I like that. Remember, we're playing quarters. Oh, ultra hot up top. I was like, you can't be done yet. Yeah. One more. Yes. One more for the next one. Oh, a mini up high. Let's save it. Let's save it. Alright, let's see how we did. These are 25-cent credits. That's over $100. Nice, $175. Alright. Alright, let's keep going. Treasure chest! One more! Seems pretty active. Come on, treasure chest. Let's go. Let's go. Those kings don't pay out? Come on. Come on. There's $50, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna take one more spin. So we made $48. That's a winning video on Ultra Hot Megalink. All right, I'm at the Venetian. I'm not allowed to film, but look at what just happened. Wow. Woo, the miner went by. Oh, you can't be done already. How about some color? More. Don't end yet. Yes! I think it's my best Lightning Link win ever, other than my grand. Come on! Don't be done, don't be done! Yes! More. Save it. Oh, what a beautiful board. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you. Yes. Ba-da-da-da.